It's a known fact that CAs excel in every field that they go. They are not just restricted to the academic learning of the subjects alone, but rather are well equipped even with the current affairs. So now, friends, let's get up for the quiz session, the upcoming quiz session, wherein, and please respond through the chats for the questions that we are posing on to you all.
Now we are having a quiz session on general knowledge. So I request everyone who are viewing this to join us on the chat box. The first one to answer might get exciting prizes at the end. So I need your responses. Are you all ready? Yes or no?
Type in yes. Yes, guys who are joining us from their respective platforms, please.
I
type in
need
yes.
chat box to be opened. Yes, yes. Wow. It's great
Yes.
to see so many S.
That's the spirit.
Yeah,
Shall we
that's
begin?
CA students. Yeah. We'll begin with the first question. Yes, Dayani, take over.
Question number 1 is, who is the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics? I repeat, who is the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics?
I got a reply as Saina Nehwal.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I got the correct answer from
Yes, it's Karna Maleshwari from.
Ronak Goyal. Congratulations.
Yes, you got it right. The second question is, which bird can fly backwards? I repeat, which bird can fly backwards?
Yeah, I got the answer.
Yes, it's hummingbird. And who has got it right, Vatsa?
Skanda S.
Skanda is.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Kudos.
Question 3. Which High Court for the first time in India declared Bandh as illegal? Which High Court for the first time in India declared Bandh as illegal?
No, no,
Right
no,
answers?
no.
No, not a Tiraka. Beginning to go through all this.
I'm getting Bombay, Allahabad, Bangalore.
No. Yes, somebody got it right.
Yeah.
It's Kerala.
It's
Bye.
Padmavati Gaikwad.
Kudos to you. The next question is, Film and Television Institute of India is located at, I think it's a very easy one. Film and Television Institute of India is located at, not that.
Yeah,
Yes.
I got it from Padmavati Gaikwad again. Kudos.
Yes, we all thought it was the Bollywood capital, Bombay, but no, it's Pune.
Pune.
Yes, great. The next question.
The
Hawa-
easiest one, I feel.
Yes, the Hawa Mahal is located in which city? The Hawa Mahal is,
Yeah, I got it.
who is it? Yes.
Anupam Kumar.
Yes, it's Jaipur, the city of lakes. Cool. The next question. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? I repeat, which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886?
Yeah, I got the answer already from Skanda S. It's
France, and rightly said, Skanda, I think, has scored
Yeah,
bonus
2 points.
right? Yeah. The next question. Name the currency of Russia.
Yetish, you're not eligible for answering. Yeah, I got it from George Swane itself.
Yes. The next question. Which is the largest snacks company in India? I repeat, which is the largest snacks company in India?
I think everyone should answer this question.
Yes, being a foodie, you will get it right.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, I got it.
Haldiram's. Who has given that first?
Ronak Goyal. Again, he has also scored 2 points.
Okay, that's great. Ronak, keep up. The next question. Name the company which became the first Indian original equipment manufacturer to meet the BS6 emission norms. Name the company which became the first Indian original equipment manufacturer to meet the BS6 emission norms.
No,
Right, Ricky? Yes.
no, no.
No. Yes.
Yes,
Somebody got it
I
right.
got it. It's
Smart brains.
Anwar Basha.
Well, I know.
Kudos.
Yes. Ashok Leyland. You're
It's
right.
Ashok Leyland.
The next question. BSNL has partnered with Dash to let users connect to nearby Wi-Fi hotspots. I repeat, BSNL has partnered with Dash to enable users connect with Wi-Fi hotspots. Somebody
No.
got it right.
Yeah,
Who's that?
Paytm. Ronak Goyal again. I think he's leading it.
Yes.
Kudos.
The next question. India's first company that provides lifetime credit of up to rupees 5 lakh instantly to its customers. Which company is that? Instant 5 lakhs credit. No answers pouring in right now. No, it's not Paytm. No, not Cred. No, not Cred, not Paytm.
Not LIC too. Some more answers? Yeah, got it. From Shiv Shankar.
Yes. Well, the next question. Lot of fathers. We should keep the time limit.
I feel no one are Googling it, right? No replies for this question? Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Great, great.
Yes, who's the father of our nation? Just a simple question. Father of economics is the actual question.
Father of economics. Yeah, got it right. It's George Sunny.
No. On which novel by Vikas Swaroop is the film Slumdog Millionaire based? On which novel by Vikas Swaroop is the film Slumdog Millionaire based?
Yeah, got it. From Manohar Ram.
It's the smallest planet in our solar system. Back to school days.
No, 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 no. It's not Pluto.
Not Pluto.
Yeah, got it from
Mercury.
Shiv Shankar. It's Mercury.
Mercury is the hottest one and is the flying star. Remember the poem, right?
Correct.
Capital city of Goa.
Yeah, received. From Shailendran.
So who's the winner of today's
I think
quiz?
three are tied, right? With three points. Yeah, the last question I would like to ask, based on the technical sessions we had today, what was the game mentioned by Grishma Kamath in the beginning as an example? Yes, yes, yes. Chess, sir. It was cricket from George, and I think he has got it right. The winner for this session is George. We have another particular session meant for quiz at the end, and there we'll see who will bang it. It's a great opportunity for the audience who are viewing this particular conference that we would like to give you a minute talk. You can speak about your experience. If you just text us, if you just text us in the chat box who wish to speak, we'll be giving the opportunity for them. If someone texts hi in the chat box now, we'll give them the opportunity to speak. You can speak how the conference was yesterday and today.
We want to hear you.
Yeah, because you are our final audience. Yes, I have received from Shanmuga Priya. I think she's a paper presenter. I think that would rule out. Anyhow, we'll be speaking further.
Anybody else? We want to hear you. You guys speak up something and share your thoughts with us.
Yes, I got it from Sandra Chandra Hasan.
Yes. We are unmuting you, giving you the access to talk.
Yes, we are in process.
Can be anything, a random talk between peers from Pan India, because people are joining us from all over India, I believe. Kindly raise your hand, no? I mean, through the access controls over there, there is a raise hand option so that we can able to locate you at the earliest. Just click on the raise hand control. There's a hand symbol, right?
Hope you all enjoyed these 2 days conference, right? And yet 3 more sessions are up. There was some technical glitch, but sure, at last, we will join you as a panelist and we'll give you an opportunity to speak for a minute. Right now, we are up with the next special session. विदेशेषु मान्याः स्वदेशेषु धन्याः सदाचारवृत्तेषु मत्तो न चान्यः गुरोरन्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्.
Let me take this privilege of translating this verses that you uttered now from Guru Ashram Srivatsa.
Yes.
It says, I am honored in other lands and prosperous in my homeland. In the path of righteous conduct, there is none who can surpass me. Thus one may think. Yet, if one's mind be not centered on the lotus feet of the Guru, what then? What then? What then?
One more from my end. ಮೌಲ್ಯವ ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿ ಕೆತ್ತಿದ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ನಾನೆಂದೂ ಚಿರಋಣಿ ಆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಕ್ಕೆ ದಿನವೂ ದಿನವೂ ಇದ್ದು ತೀಡಿದ ಆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆದರ್ಶಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಸಾಟಿ. Surrender pranams to Guru.
Wow, Srivatsa, you're turning philosophical. I'm just spellbound witnessing this plate of yours and your amazing skills and versatility.
Thanks. Cool.
Okay. By the word skills, I remember another prodigy who's a multi-versatile character. And you want to listen to his qualifications?
For sure, why not?
Then hold on to your breath. I'm going to reveal them now, right?
Yeah, sure.
He is a BCom graduate and has degrees in LLB, ACMA, Master of Financial Management, MBA Finance, Master of Finance and Control, MPhil in Management, MA Economics, Diploma in Business Management, Diploma in Banking and Finance, Information System Audit, MBA in Investment, Advanced Diploma in Business Administration, Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Management, Entrepreneurship, Management, International Business, Marketing, Master of Geomatics for Environmental Management, AMPGS US, ADMA London, and the list is just...
It's indeed right. Superb, superb. Yes, I have also heard on the same thing. Our session chair is an all-rounder. Not only just the qualifications, he is a state-level champion in the field of painting, singing, elocution, drama, martial arts, and whatnot. The list is limitless. This eminent personality has been awarded as the Legend of Surat, Star of Surat, Jewel in the Crown, Suratna Sitara, and
without further ado, let's welcome to our session the session chair, CA Jay Chaira.
Welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much. A very good evening to all of you. CA Panindra Gupta ji, Mr. Yatish Som. I can see two nameplates on virtual things. I would request all my dear friends, if you are on this particular link, to keep your videos on so that I can come to know that I am talking to you. Otherwise, I feel that I am talking to my iPad. You know, it is very difficult in the virtual mode to interact. A very, very good evening to all of you. First of all, let me compliment Panindra ji and the entire Bengaluru team for having a wonderful program, very well designed. I could see the efforts put in by him, number of emails, our committee, and the way the program has been designed. Credits to him and the entire Bengaluru team. And friends, let me give you a rough sketch of what the Student Skills Enrichment Board of Studies is about. You know, on 12th February this year, our president, C. Atul Kumar Gupta ji, took the charge. And we were discussing at that point of time that, sir, in the last 7 decades, we have done something wonderfully well for the students. But still, you know, we require doing something more than that. And our students, no doubt about it, they are good in income tax. They are good in GST. They are good in finance. But that is not sufficient. We want our students to be excellent in leadership, in delegation skills, in team building, in presentability, in goal setting, and such other things. So that's why we require one new committee to be formed for the benefits of the students. And student friends, you will be happy to know that it is after 70 years that this need of the student has been considered, and a new Board of Studies Operations, also known as Student Skills Enrichment Board, was constituted. Right? Understanding the needs of the students, that along with the technical subjects we require, dealing with our students in other aspects also, we have to develop them in terms of skill set also. I'll just very quickly navigate you through a few things that the committee has done. The first and foremost thing is, in the very first meeting when this board was created, fortunately I am the founder chairman of that, and I discussed with the president, sir, while our course is the most economical course across the globe, students will agree with me. Still, there are many students who still would be able to for that, I propose to set up a fund of 100 crores solely for the benefit of the students. 100 crores. And I propose, sir, that if in the next 5 years, if we keep on creating 20 crores every year, we will be in a position to create 100 crores. And the president said, sorry, bhai, nahi karenge, nahi karenge. I said, what, sir? Sir, this is important for the students. And he said, we will create 100 crores in the very first year itself. That's the vision of our president. In the very first meeting, unanimously, all my solely for the benefits of the students, so that now whoever is asking financial scholarship like that, we can help them. So that is the first initiative we took up. The second initiative that we took up was in the Friends, you will agree with me. When it comes to articleship, ask your father, your uncle, your neighbor, friend, give me some idea where to go for articleship. You can find out Panindaji, you can find out somebody else, and you can go and inquire his office. If not of the vacancy, will send to some other friend, and like that, formally, informally, you can find out some articleship. But when it comes to industrial training, networking issues, is it so that my network issue is coming up?
We are getting disturbances in between,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Let me do something about it. I'll very quickly start my personal hotspot. I'll give some other connection. Just a minute. I forgot what I had to click. I was in this WebEx or what? Yeah. Fine. I hope the connection is better now.
We
You
are
can
unable
show a
to.
thumb if it is fine. Yeah, thank you. So,
So we are
now
unable
it
to
comes-
see your video.
unable to?
See your video.
Now, what is the problem? Video is already on. You are unable to see?
Yes, sir. Yes. Now fine.
Now it is fine?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, friends, when it comes to industrial training, student friends, you will agree with me that the demographics have changed in the last 2 decades. Prior to that, Panindaji will agree with me. 2 decades back, if you are a chartered accountant, naturally you are into practice. But the things have changed. After this IT revolution, and do I require telling about IT revolution in Bangalore? Naturally not. Do I require a startup revolution in Bangalore? Naturally not. Do I require talking about technology revolution in Bangalore? Naturally not. It would be a mistake to speak about something like this in Bangalore, right? So, with this revolution, things have changed. In the last 2 decades, more than 70% of the pass out have joined industries. So, students want to have the benefit of both article and industrial training. But when it comes to industrial training, you want to go to Reliance Mumbai, you want to go to Wipro, Bangalore, you want to go to Infosys, or you want to Hindustan Unilever, or you want to go into DLF, Gurgaon. But the problem is, here your uncle and friends do not help. So how do you link out? So we created an industrial portal for that. And friends, believe me, this time we touched up with many HR people of various companies, more particularly in Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru, and Gurgaon to start with, because these are the 4 cities with the better corporate structure and further penetrating in other cities. Unfortunately, because of COVID, neither students were happy. They were also reluctant to go to Mumbai to join industries. They were also reluctant to take the students. But the portal is ready, and we are trying to see to it that next year, more than 10,000 students come forward and more companies come up for industrial training so that the students have a direct access to industries. And suppose you had your industrial training in Reliance or HUL, maybe after completing chartered accounts, they absorb you very smoothly. Why would they go for campus? They know you very well. And anybody is comfortable with the person with whom they have worked, right? I think that is a human nature. So this is what we did this year, and maybe if it works out for next 4 to 5 years, of course, I would not be there. I will be the chairman only for this year. Next year, somebody else will take it up. But if this continues, then our vision is that why don't we invite Google and Apple also in future so that you can have the industrial training globally? I think that would be a luxury for the students. You'll be happy with that. That was the second initiative we took up. The third initiative, of course, was out of need, and that was virtual MCS, virtual ITT. We had no options. We had to immediately roll off, and we took quick decisions and allowed the students to go into this mode. And the fourth initiative, that I am very sure students will be happy about it. Student friends, till last year, whenever you looked at the national conferences, the topics were income tax, GST, audit, company law. And I agree, these are important subjects. For many people, this is bread and butter. But we wanted to add cheese also. We felt that students are learning income tax, GST and everything 365 days in articleship also and in theory also. We wanted to give them something new. So we requested all the branches that this year and now onwards, kindly do not take up the topics which they are studying in the syllabus, in the curriculum. Take up topics like artificial intelligence, robotics, deep learning, machine learning, data analytics, or take up topics like global opportunities, right? Global business outlook, or international trade and dimensions, or pick up topics like entrepreneurship, startups, venture capitalists, angel investors, or take up topics like charismatic leadership, presentation skills, team building, delegation. Take up such type of topics, or even take up topics like Kar lo duniya mukti mein. An idea can change your life. I am sure the young people are very creative. I am sure my young students are very innovative, and they must be more innovative than me, my generation. If the next generation of my profession is not more innovative, Panindraji, if the next generation of chartered accountants or students, they are not smarter than us, they are not more innovative than us, they are not more creative than us, they are not more happier than us, then we have failed. They have not failed, we have failed. Right? It is our duty to see to it that our generation that is coming up, they are smarter and more importantly happier. More important, happier. I don't want a CA student to have long faces. CA students' face should always be cheerful. Else, I don't think as a CA student. So, with this thought process in mind, the Students Enrichment Board took up number of initiatives. Now, let me quickly discuss with you a few things. When you join chartered accountancy, when a student comes to me after 12th, sir, do you understand Hindi thoda thoda? I think Bangalore does that. Bangalore does that. That's why Bangalore is growing in leaps and bounds. Bangalore is a very adaptive city, I know that. And the air-conditioned city of India, as I say. A city with a very beautiful atmosphere, only traffic being a problem. I keep on coming to Bangalore a number of times. I like this city a lot. When a student comes to me and asks, sir, CA करना है, तो भाई कर ले. सर कितना पढ़ना पड़ेगा? चेहरे पे ना ऐसे टेंशन होता है. And he says, sir कितना पढ़ना पड़ेगा? I say 14 hours. 14 hours, sir. Okay, sir, I will. And then 14 hours a week. 14 hours a week. Student friends, the first misnomer is that you have to keep on studying throughout the day if you want to join CA. Nothing like that. Many people have a wrong conclusion. A youngster would come, sir, CA करना है. And then I ask, dance party? Sir, नहीं जाऊंगा. Cricket? Sir, नहीं खेलूंगा. मैं बोला फिर CA कैसे बनेगा भाई तू? डांस पार्टी में जाना है, म्यूजिकल इवनिंग में गाना है, क्रिकेट खेलना है.
I think you are facing some network issues from your end.
Oh, once again, I think मेरी तरफ से तो नेटवर्क में अभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए. चलो चेक कर लेता हूँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
We lost your connectivity, sir.
Unfortunate. Is it for? Oh yeah. Network problem is there. No, all good for audience. तो यार अगर ऑडियंस के लिए ठीक है तो सब ठीक है. फिर ऑडियंस ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. चलिए फाइन.
Yes.
See, otherwise also I cannot help it. I have tried all the network. इससे ज्यादा कुछ हो भी नहीं सकता. So you know what? First and foremost thing is आपके दिमाग में गलत फहमी है that CA is a very tough course or CA requires too much of time. Of course, you require little
The
more
audio
effort
we are
than other
unable to.
courses. Yeah. Is it fine now? Now fine, sir. ठीक है जी.
No, sir.
No. Let me check. Let me once again check. Let me ask my staff. Let me find out if I can once again switch to some other network. Now what to do? Why it is not working? I hope it is fine. This is the only option I have. Your audio is clear, video disturbance is there. Okay, so let us accept it as a Radio Mirchi 98.3, right? अभी उसके हिसाब से चला
We are unable to hear you.
Unable to hear. अब बॉस इसका तो मैं क्या इलाज कर सकता हूँ? I have used all my network. चलो जो है जितने लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है. Let me just keep on continuing whatever it is there. No other options. So anyway, I'm trying to tell you friends is, while you have to be a little more disciplined than the other friends, but kindly understand, you have to balance your day very well between studies, your health, right? Your health, regular cricket, dance parties, right? Exercise and all these things. At the same time, developing your skills, interpersonal skills, right? It's very, very important. Very, very important. Interpersonal skills you have to develop. You have to develop your language. You have to develop communication skills, your presentability, your attitude, your confidence. These are all the things you have to. You don't have to miss out anything in life, right? You don't have to miss out anything in life. So it is all about time management, and not only time management, it is life management, because time itself is life.
Hello.
Friends,
Down,
I'll
sir.
just
Down, sir.
what, sir? I think there is some disturbance coming up. So what I'll do is, rather than continuing, you may ask them 1 or 2 questions quickly, and let me just deal with that, and then you can go to the next session. If you have any questions, let us start with the questions first. And I'm not sure whether the things are going right or wrong, whatever the case may be. If you have any questions, kindly in the chat box or by any other means, please put up the questions. Sir, okay. Some questions are there. How can I check? I should go into chats. Chat with everyone. Okay. So what is the difference between industrial training and articleship? I'll be very quick with it. In articleship, practice in chartered accountants and learn the practice aspects. In industries, you will learn more about industry, how the industries work. And I think both of them can have a very good blend. So I would promote people going regular with articleship, along with that industrial training also. And this year we have passed the resolution where earlier you could go on for industrial training only for 10 or 11 months. Now we are allowing you for 18 months. So student can have a very good blend. Let me check the other chat. Other chat, I'm not sure. Are there any criteria for industrial training? Yeah, industrial training you can do in the last year of your articleship. Means first you have to do articleship. The remaining period, the last period, you can serve as industrial training. That is the only requirement. Yeah. Next is it possible to alter the transactions individually in blockchain technology? Is it a question for me? I think it was a question for the previous speaker, I believe so. Apply for industrial training. You can go to the industrial training portal. You can go to ICAI website, Student Skills Enrichment Board. You have the industrial training portal. On that, you can register yourself. And then the companies will also get registered on that, and through that there will be a process how the companies will select you. I'm not sure. I cannot see the questions actually. If somebody can just read the questions and post them, is it compulsory? No, it is not compulsory, but desirable. You should have articleship and industrial training both. Only first attempt students actually. I don't know where to read these questions. Why they are not coming on my screen? How to apply for industrial training? Yeah, I could read that. Gayab ho gaya wapas. Yeah. So how to apply that? I already put up. You go to the website. I say from where you get so much energy. Should I say boost is the secret of my energy? Anyway, friends, let me tell you one thing. A CA student without energy is not a CA student. My daughter is also a CA finalist like you, right? I cleared my CA 25 years back. And believe me, while I was doing CA, I have neither missed my dance parties or cricket or anything. And even today, I am doing that on a very regular basis. It's about life management. Change your mindset. mindset कि अगर तुम सीए कर रहे हो तो सब कुछ छोड़ देना पड़ेगा. पापा ने कहा फ्रेंड्स को छोड़ दो, मम्मी ने कहा डांस पार्टी छोड़ दो, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि सीए छोड़ दो. जी नहीं. Develop your time management. Sir, you should romance with your accounts and you should not leave your dance also. You should romance with your income tax and you should be excellent with guitar also. I do both the things very regularly. Friends, I tell you, I work in drama also and I have worked in some Gujarati movies also. I'm not sure Kannada movies, they would give me the chance or not. But in Gujarati movies, they give me the chance and I do act. And I participate in Akshay Kumar International Martial Art Competition also. So I do. Believe me, it is very much possible. Just change the mindset. Sir, how many hours did you study to get so many degrees? As I said, 14 hours a week. Say it is not the hours of study. It is how clearly you study that. You know, how much you enjoy that. That is important. And friends, I tell you, I have studied in Bangalore also, in Hyderabad, Osmania University, in Chennai, Madras University, in Madurai, Kamaraj University, in Alagappa University, in Pondicherry University, in Pune University, Bombay University, South Gujarat University, MS University. I have studied in 17 different universities of India, and I have studied in China, Los Angeles, UK, and I will have to remember Italy and a few places. I just enjoyed that. Believe me, I have never studied accounts or finance. I have romance with that. Friends, tell me, if Virat Kohli is not romancing with his bat, only romancing with Anushka, then does it make him Virat Kohli? Definitely not. Right? If Arijit Singh does not romance with singing, do you know would you have known Arijit Singh? Definitely not. So romancing with you, you know, I thoroughly believe. Someday I would tell you, Parindaji, you someday invite me for question answer session on any of the calculated subject. Student friends, you ask me any question, maybe on consolidation, on variance analysis, or take up foreign exchange, or take up simplex, or take up portfolio theory. Believe me, anything you pose, I would only touch the question and give the answer. No calculator required, no formula required. I thoroughly enjoy that. So I think that is very important. Very important. Are only first attempt intermediate student. Sir, forget about the attempts. Attempts do not matter. Abraham Lincoln had 11 attempts before becoming the president. I am not promoting for attempts, of course. I am also a first attempt student. But if attempts are there, they do not decide. They do not decide your fate. It is your attitude and how you deal with other people and how much value you can create in businesses and life of other people. That matter the most. देखो एकदम सिंपल बात में बताता हूँ. आपकी डिग्री, आपके मार्क्स, आपका रैंक मैटर नहीं करता. जिस दिन आपकी सर्विसेज की वजह से किसी बिजनेसमैन को 100 करोड़ का फायदा होगा, वो आपको 5 करोड़ देगा. जब 1000 करोड़ का फायदा होगा तो 50 करोड़ देगा और करोड़ रुपए का फायदा होगा तो 5 लाख रुपया देगा. डिग्री नहीं, ये काम लगता है. इसको कहते हैं ईगो एटीट्यूड. Right? Kindly understand. The moment you create value in the life of other person, he has to give you the good share. Focus more on that. अब और questions मुझे दिख नहीं रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे ठीक से. I am unable to see.
Sir, you can see them on chat box.
Yeah, I am trying that. अपीयर होके गायब हो जाते हैं. मुझे मिस्टर इंडिया जैसा फील आता है. All attendees में नहीं आया. Or somebody can read the question for me.
Yes, I'll help you out, sir.
I have submitted my advance receipt form for the half year. Half question पढ़ाई दिया. Yes, please. Anybody? If you can.
Yes,
read out,
I'll help
please.
you out.
Yeah.
One of the question is only first attempt students are allowed for industrial training. Is this true?
Any attempt. Forget the number of attempts. It does not matter. Of course, I would suggest you work very sincerely in a proper way. You will clear in first attempt. But if you have attempts, don't worry about it. Don't worry at all. It does not affect your career adversely. Yeah, next one.
Difference between an industrial trained article and non-industrial trained article.
Sir, see, basically it is not like that, any major difference. But I would suggest that if you understand articleship also and industrial training also, it will help you in choosing your future career. Plus, it will help you in your absorption industry much faster. You will not have to wait for campus interview or something. So you should take the benefit of both. Next one, please.
All companies don't send invitations or reply on website of ICI.
Yeah, naturally, the company, see, it is not a prerogative of the company to do that. It is up to us. We have to keep on following with the companies, and in the years to come, the next chairman, see, I am a retiring chairman, I just created this platform. Now, when they will start inviting more and more companies, if you know company, if the branches know company, they can tell the HR of the company to post the requirements of our portal so that more and more vacancies are created. Next one, please.
Any other means of industrial training?
Even approach the industry directly if they listen to it, right? Otherwise, we are giving you a good platform for that. Next one.
So how many hours did you study to get so many degrees?
So I told that 14 hours a week, right? It is not the hours, kindly understand. Yeah.
One of the question, by which age, sir, have you achieved all these degrees?
So friends, while I was doing C, along with that, I did my CS, CMA, CFA, MCOM, LLB, MFM, MBA. I did 8 courses together. And after that, I did other 8. And after that, I did other 8. So I think I took around 10 years to complete these degrees, because 3 years for 1 degree. So around 10 years.
A question from my end.
But along with that, my practice was going on fully, and I was an elected member of the branch. I became the chairman of the branch and entered into region. So it is not so that you have to go too much. I have even today a habit. Every week I read 5 hours for professional studies. 5 hours. Every week I devote 5 hours for literary studies, studying of general books, and 10 hours for exercise. 5 hours for piano, guitar, and singing. So like that, I divide the slots across the week. Yeah, please next.
One question from my end to you, sir. What was your skill set and will set as a CA student, and what is your skill set and will set as a CA member?
So see, let us understand. The most important thing is, as they say, stay hungry, stay foolish. You have to be too curious. You have to be too curious. As they say, too low they build, who build below the sky. See, as a student, I was also like you only, right? 30 years back, I joined this profession. 30 years back, right? At that point of time, I had only bicycle naturally. But my dreams were big. And I never thought about it, whether I would pass or fail or this or that. I was very sure if I'll put the efforts, I'll clear it. So I think that self-belief, and I repeat my point, romancing with your subjects. See, if you do not romance with guitar and piano, you don't become A.R. Rahman. Kindly understand that. That is the most crucial thing. Next one, please.
I have submitted my advance receipt from the half year ending on December 20 through email, but couldn't send the hard copy. So request you to accept the soft copy, also grant the scholarship. It would be a great help if this procedure is altered.
Okay. Tell this gentleman, send your email to me, right? My email ID is jaychhaira@yahoo.com. Send it to me. I'll take care of it. No problem. Next one, please.
Can I join industrial training after articleship?
Yeah, of course. In the last period of articleship, you can do that. But once the articleship is over, as of now, there is no provision. But we are trying to introduce that provision also. But that is subject to regulation, so we have to get it approved from the government also. Next one, please.
What are the works we need to do in industrial training?
See, that would depend upon industry to industry, right? But it would be quite good if you take a 360-degree view. You might be in one particular department, right? But at the same time, if you are smart enough, then by way of interaction with other colleagues, you can have a very good view, even for the purchase department and the marketing department and the systems department and HR department and everything. Because for being a very good consultant, you require 360-degree view of understanding a business. If you only understand GST or income tax, then you are merely a consultant for a periphery. But if you understand 360-degree of business, then you can create a huge value addition, and that would lead you to a very higher pedestal. Next one, please.
Can we also do other courses along with CA? I mean, more than one.
Well, see, during articleship, you are not allowed to do. During articleship, you are allowed to do only one. So I waited for my articleship to be completed, and then I joined 8 courses together. Along with CA, I was doing my BCom, and my articleship was also over. The moment my articleship over, the next day itself, I filled up all the forms. I have studied at IIM Bangalore also. I have studied at IIM Bangalore and IIM Ahmedabad also. Going to different cities and study, and particularly Bangalore and Ahmedabad IIMs are so wonderful. I enjoyed that part. Yeah, next one, please.
Are there any stipend regulations under industrial training?
Regulation, we are asking industry to pay at least 10,000 to 15,000 as stipend. Right? We are asking them for 10,000 to 15,000. This is what we are recommending them. And I think our report as of now says that the industry are willing to give in this range. Next one.
As of now,
I think most of the questions have been taken care of. You must
Correct.
be waiting for the next session to start. So maybe on some other occasion, I will be very happy to interact more with you. I once again compliment CA Panindra Gupta ji and the entire Bengaluru branch team for this wonderful event. And I must congratulate the students and compliment for this overwhelming response. Your so many questions definitely shows that you have been so attentive, right? You have listened to it very well, and it is said that listeners are angels. As of now, you are angels for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, when you see a special manifestation of any skill in any person, know it to be of me. And we are privileged, blessed to share screen with you and having to listen to your wonderful insights. It has really motivated us, guided us, and of course has set a new path for us, meaning to say CA is now not just a destination for us, but rather a beginning of a new journey. Thanks a lot, sir, for the motivation that you've given us. Thanks a lot. Blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jaichara sir. So first of all, we really enjoyed your session. So you really changed the skill set and will set of career content students. Till now, it was only technical sessions. They were, and we thoroughly enjoyed your session. And first of all, thank you so much for taking so many initiatives from Student Skills Enrichment Board. And we are really privileged to have you here in States in Bangalore. So thank you once again for giving us opportunity to share the screen with you, sir. Thank you so much.